my name is Natasha. I am a student of High School of Economics, and I would like to welcome all the participants of International Week on Sustainability.
Hi, I'm Bram from China. I'm from Fudan University School of Economics.
Hola, my name is Beatriz and I'm currently on my second year in my bachelor's in economics at ISEC in Lisbon.
大家好, I'm Koti from Xiamen University in China.
Hello, my name is Meek and I'm a student from the University of Antwerp. Welcome to the I-Week. I am so excited to participate this week, meet all different nationalities, work together in a group and come to great solutions. So I hope you are excited as well and I hope we get to meet each other soon. And have a nice week. Bye!
Jó napot! Én vagyok a Taskov Nikola Corvinus Egyetemből. Hi, I'm Taskov Nikola from Corvinus University of Budapest.
Zdravo na svete. I'm Angel Angelevska from Edith County University. Welcome to I-Week. I'm so excited to be a part of this amazing experience where we get to connect, learn and grow together.
Hi, I'm Ellie from the University of Warwick in the UK. What excites me most about I-Week is working with people from all over the world with different backgrounds on issues of sustainability and seeing how their opinions differ from mine.
Hola a todos, soy Geraldine Quispe Andrade, representante de Centrum PUC, la Escuela de Negocios de la Pontificia Universidad Católica del Perú.
大家好, Hi, I'm Lin from National Chengchi University in Taiwan. Welcome to I-Week 2025.
Merhaba, I'm Abdullah Turk from Koç University in Turkey. I welcome you all to I-Week 2025.
Hola, I'm Ignacio Tuckman from Facultad de Economía y Negocios de la Universidad de Chile and I'd like to welcome you to I-Week of Sustainability 2025. I'm very excited to work with students from all over the world, so let's enjoy this learning experience and make the most out of it together.
Boxtrima, I'm Matea and I am from Management Center in Innsbruck, where I currently study Industrial Engineering and Management. I'm really excited about the I-Week and this opportunity to exchange ideas and gain insights into our sustainable future.
So my name is Didin Kleng. I am class representative and a proud student of the University of Pretoria.
Hello everyone, Namaste, I'm Sneha Parimadaswamy from Exine University. Welcome you all to the International Week of Sustainability.
Ciao a tutti, my name is Silvia. I'm from Cordova University and I'm really excited to welcome you all to I-Week 2025.
Sanmarani Moyeni Abshedi, my name is Olivia Sobolani and I'm from the Nelson Mandela University in South Africa. We as the Nelson Mandela University would like to officially welcome the students to I-Week.
I'm especially looking forward to engaging discussions on economic and environmental sustainability and working on real-life problems with international teams.
I know this will be an incredible experience filled with inspiring sessions, meaningful discussions, and the chance to connect with students from all around the world.
That is the reason why I am particularly excited about the opportunity to communicate with like-minded individuals from diverse backgrounds and cultures during I-Week.
So I want to take this chance to encourage you guys to, step away from your daily stresses, open your mind and engage in fresh perspectives and try your best to enjoy the process.
What excites me the most about I-Week is the opportunity to meet students from different backgrounds, exchange ideas and gain new perspectives. I hope you all have a fantastic time, make great memories and take the full advantage of everything this week has to offer.
What I'm most excited about is having the opportunity to engage with students from different walks of life, as this will give me the opportunity to learn about different cultures, languages and diverse lifestyles. Thank you.
And I would like to welcome you all to Antwerp. What excites me the most about this program is I would like to get to know what it is exactly, because I've heard a lot about it in the news. I've gotten a lot of emails, but I don't know exactly what we will study about and what the exact topics and subjects will be. I'm happy to be here.